Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is our Willys Jeep project that we're working on today. If you're new to the channel, thank you for showing up. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like button and stick around with us and follow this through. We also have some really cool projects coming up after this. Today, like the last two pieces that everybody can see that are not painted is what we're working on today. We're going to work on the windscreen first. We got to get the windscreen, we got to get the legs bent right and all that kind of good stuff, because when we lean it down, it's just not quite in the right area. So we got to get this bent down. We got to get some, not really much welded left, but we got to get some connectors and all that kind of stuff put on so that this will stay in this. But that is today's, hello America. That is today's ambition and goal. Now let's see if we can get it done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back of those front seats just looks so good.
It's a little thing.
It really looks sharp. Yeah, it really looks sharp. It's crazy.
Yow! Probably a little bit easier to mix with that big spreader. You don't get your knuckles in it as much.
Challenge accepted.
It's like you know where the camera is and you point it directly at the camera. It's great.
Body filler.
Go.
Cut his ear off next.
I got that joke.
I wasn't watching.
He said, I'm going to cut my ear off next. Who's the famous artist that cut his ear off?
Mango.
Look like it's ready going?
Yeah, except for that big light spot I just seen. Yeah, there we go. Put her back together. Close to the edge. That is a very small bongo board, just for the record, too. There you go. slap it on there. Stay over the dented area pretty much.
This area?
Yep.
You're gonna get on your hands, Ashley, but come here.
I get to do it? Yes! Okay.
Just so you-
Now, when the chemical reaction happens, if it's on your fingers, you'll know.
So do that.
You did not put any on there.
I did.
There you go.
There you go. Now you got.
Now just
right here.
spread it across here like that.
Satisfying, isn't it?
Gosh, this is
Yeah, that's good.
okay, there you go. Here, you get some more
I
shirt.
don't have to
No,
sure.
no, you gotta go for the chemical reaction now.
It's on my nail.
Well, ladies, original, strictly original music in the place to keep the place rocking alive.
It's the next day. As you saw, we put a lot of work into the windscreen, the hood, the panel that holds the glass. It got really late on us. We actually ran out of battery because during the day yesterday I accidentally unplugged the chargers for the camera batteries. So we actually ran out of battery, but it was perfect because it was time to end anyways. These things are closer. They're not done yet. We still need to do a little more filler here and there on them, but they're close. They're actually straight now. The hood looks really, really good. It's not attached. I show you the bottom side, but the hood looks really good. This also looks really good. We just got to fill in some of the minor imperfections. We don't want to take all of the character out of it, but we want it to look pretty good. The first thing we got to do before we get started, though, is this garage is a train wreck. There is enough filler dust. When I swept up, you didn't get to see it. When I swept up, there was a pile of filler dust like this. We put a lot on, but we took a lot off. But now there's just this white haze on everything. I yelled at Ashley for doing this, but I'm actually going to do it. There you go. All right, let's get busy. Okay. All right, we're back. We do have, look at this. Wheels. All cleaned up. Well, I shouldn't say all cleaned up. Tires all off. Get them unloaded. See what we got to do to go through them. But yeah, we're going to get them all scuffed so that we can paint. So that when we are painting this stuff, we can paint those. So, yep. All right, so that's gonna do it for wheels and tires before we get back to paint. But we will get all 4 of those, actually 5 of them. I gotta go get one that's in the backyard that didn't have a tire on it. Go get it so we can get it prepped with all of these. Get those things green. So this thing can be a green, mean machine. If I can do this. All right, so we'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, here we go. This is the last of like 4 parts to paint. Well, we're actually primering first, so and then paint. Little quick update. We got primer on the hood. It's dry. Gonna do a little doing some wet sanding. You can see we still have some high spots, but we're going to call those I don't want to say character flaws because they're not really flaws, but they're unique identifiers. So we'll get back to you as we carry on more. Well, hood's done. Wet sanding. Let it dry a little bit. We're gonna mix some paint up and we're gonna spray it. So, yeah. All right, so yeah, I think that's what, third coat, Gilly?
Yep.
Third coat, hood. Like first coat on the wheels, the backs are done on the other two. So yeah, little update. Still painting. It's now dark out. New garage lights helped though, so fun. Alright guys, it's late. As you can see, yeah, we have artificial light keeping the lights on. Sun's gone down on the hood, the windscreen, and it's done. We timed it perfect. We ran out of paint as we put on the third coat of this, which is crazy because that means now that we've put 2 gallons of paint on this Jeep, and we're still gonna have to order another one, which will probably use a quarter of that just to finish for touch-ups and that kind of stuff. But that's gonna wrap it on every Gilly. We're done with body panels. Yep. We're done with body panels. Oh my gosh, and wheels. I never thought it would happen. But yeah, let's look at this. Amazing. Don't want to touch it, but look at that. And then we got these. Oh. Sorry, I thought you were following me. 5 wheels, done, painted, no longer orange. We will put tires on them this week. Then the hood. Got a few little things that we gotta fix up, but we gotta have more paint. But hood's on, done.
Yeah, lift both. There you go. Inside and out.
Inside and out. Yeah? Awesome. Alright guys, so that's gonna take care of it for this section of the video. So please, if you guys like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button. Make sure you punch that bell so you can find out when we have new videos coming up. This Jeep is almost done. After that, we have really awesome stuff coming. So we'll see you guys next time. All right guys, so next day, as you guys know, it was late last night. We got the tire or the wheels painted. So now, there we go. They turned out fabulous. Fabulous. So now we're off to get the rubber put on the tires to give us full-blown wheels. So we'll see you in a minute. I'd love to show you guys tires, but due to unforeseen stupid work stuff, I couldn't go pick them up. So I have to do it tomorrow. Pisses me off, but
Makes you angry.
It makes me angry. I'm probably hangry.
I'm making
Also.
ribs right
Ooh,
now.
ribs. Yum.
And
All right.
mashed potatoes
Ooh.
and corn
Yum.
soaked in crab boil.
Crab oil?
Boil.
Oh, yum. Well, sounds like it's time to go eat. So we will see you guys soon. Bye. All right. Picked up some tires. As you can see, it's the next day. Long story short, I would have had them yesterday, but tires. Yeah. As you can see, one still does not have a wheel in it. I don't know how to use a tape measure, and this rim is 15 inches, not 16. So one of these days I'll learn to use a tape measure. But look at this. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah. Don't look so skinny now, do they? Uh-huh. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Rough idea? Rough. What do you think? Yep. Cool. We'll get them unloaded. We'll get them on, and then we'll come back.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
What do we think? Heck yeah. You like it? What do you guys think? Yeah? Good? Looks awesome. Looks awesome. Fabulous. It's Jeep. Ooh, it's Jeep-tastic. Okay, I'm done. I got nothing else. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe down below. Give us that like button. You can also follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you can catch up on when we post something new. With that, have a good time and ride on.